Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Salesforce Marketing Cloud automations for journeys, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesforce Marketing Cloud account. Navigate to the Advertising Studio section found in the main dashboard. Click on the Journey Builder option to access the Journey configuration area. Select the Create New Journey button to start a new project. Choose a predefined template or opt for a blank canvas for full customization. Give your journey a relevant name to easily identify it later. Drag and drop entry sources into your canvas to define how contacts will enter the journey. Configure the entry source settings by choosing the desired audience or criteria. Set the journey's start date and time to determine when it will begin. Add activation points to define specific moments when interactions will occur. Utilize the Activities panel to incorporate various actions such as sending emails or SMS messages. Connect the activities logically to outline the flow of communications throughout the journey. Make use of decision splits to create personalized paths based on user behavior or preferences. Adjust the timing of actions by adding wait times between activities as needed. Incorporate exit criteria to determine how and when contacts will leave the journey. Test the journey by sending it to a small sample audience before full deployment. Monitor the journey performance using the Analytics tab to evaluate engagement metrics. Make necessary adjustments based on the results observed from your testing phase. Once satisfied with the configuration, activate the journey to make it live for your audience. Continuously review and optimize the journey based on ongoing performance data and user feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.